Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own YouTube channel. The reason you might want to make a YouTube channel is to allow your brand or product to reach to bigger audiences. You might also want a YouTube channel to express your feelings about your passions. So let's begin. First, you need to go to youtube.com. Then go to the top right hand corner and press your channel icon. If you haven't signed in, this would be the time to sign in. Now click the channel icon. Then go down and click settings. After that, click create a new channel. Then it will send you here. Now you can create another YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. This will encourage me to do more videos like this. Thank you.